The Commission on Elections signed today the contract for the review and certification of the source code for OMR machines, which will be used in the elections next year. Joan Nano tells us why.
The Commission on Elections formally started the process for the review and certification of source code, which will be used in the next year's elections. Earlier today, COMELEC signed a contract for source code review with SLI Global Solutions amounting to $760,000. The law requires a certification that the software for OMR machines is accurate, reliable, and working properly. SLI will start the review of the source code next month.
We're really happy that SLI won the bid. We've worked with them before. They're very familiar with the commission and with the local conditions here, with our election process and our election laws.
After the review is completed and the SLI has certified that the source code is clean and working properly, a master copy will be created in front of observers from media, political parties, and civil society groups. Then it will be installed in OMR machines, which will be used for the coming elections. COMELEC will also publish the hash code of the master copy, which will serve as the indicator when tamperings are made on the source code.
So the moment there are certain lines being changed, then the hash code will also change. Now this hash code, once published, will also be appearing in the election returns, in the documents that will be printed out by the machines. So the watchers, the public, can always compare and make sure that the codes being used by the machines are the same codes being certified by SLI.
Other tests will also be conducted using the certified source code to ensure that indeed it is the program installed in OMR machines.
We are not only doing the source code review and the certification by SLI. Before we even do the configuration for election day, there are several tests that COMELEC has mandated the provider, in this case Smartmatic, to conduct, which are lab test, field test, and mock elections.
Joan Nano reporting for YN News.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines continues to gather information on private armed groups in the country. Victor Cosare tells us why.